A walk cycle has four main key poses: the contact pose, the down pose, the passing pose, and the up pose. And you do this for both legs, the left leg and the right leg. A standard walk cycle has a timing of 1 second, meaning each leg would take half a second. Now let's take a deeper look at each of the key poses, and let's start first with the contact pose. Now, one thing to note with walk cycle is that the direction of the arms and legs are opposites. Meaning, if the right arm is at the back, the right leg is at the front. Now, in this example, this is the contact pose for the right leg. Meaning, this is the first contact of the right leg to the ground. Now, in a contact pose, the legs are at its widest. The right leg straighten up and the right foot pointing upwards. The left leg is slightly bent with the left heel slightly raised up. Now, in a down pose, the body moves downward. So the position of the body in a down pose is slightly lower than what it was in the contact pose. In a down pose, the arms are at its widest, the right leg bent, and the right foot planted on the ground. The left foot slightly raised up. In the passing pose, the right leg is straightened up. So if we straighten up the right leg, the body would push up. So the position of the body in a passing pose is slightly higher than what it was in the contact pose. This is also called the passing pose because this is the point where the left leg passes through the right leg. So the left knee is slightly forward than the right knee, but the left leg is dragged back. We also have the right arm straighten up, and the left arm can't be seen anymore because it's covered by the body. Now in the up pose is the highest point where the body can get in the whole walk cycle. So in an up pose, the position of the body is slightly higher than what it was in the passing pose. We also now have the right leg at the back, and it's straightened up with the heel slightly raised up, but not as raised up as what it will be in a contact pose. Now the next pose after this would be the contact pose of the left leg, and the rules would still apply. Now what I'm teaching here is not hard rules that you have to follow when you do walk cycle, because a walk cycle is different for different people. Different people or different characters have different personality and different mood, and that would affect the walk cycle. But this is a good starting point for you to follow.